Outside here in Oakville, Ontario, on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Liz O'C. I am here at Shanghai Alley, Chinese cuisine, and this is their curry lamb bao, and with some, I think, soy sauce and vinegar sauce or something like that. They're huge. The picture looks small, so I thought, okay, and then I'm waiting for my chicken and mushroom dumplings. Lovely evening here in Oakville. This is their downtown Lakeshore Road East. And I have their cocktail here. This is vodka, lychee liqueur, and pineapple juice, and a blue, I can't remember what it's called, just like a blue liqueur. That's why it's this color. Lovely. Oh. Curry lamb bao. All right, here we are. Curry lamb bao. It's very good. The bao is very light and fresh. The curry lamb, it's not too strong, it's not spicy, just a nice kick, nice flavor.
Mushroom.
Okay, then this is the chicken and mushroom dumplings. I asked them to, because it's 8 in an order. I asked if it was possible to do 4 fried, and which is this one, 4 fried and then 4 steamed. And they go, of course. So here we are. Well, this looks nice. Yummy. Okay, so we're gonna try the fried chicken and mushroom dumpling here. There is liquid in here. I like the fried one. It's good. They're both nice, sweet and fried. Take your bite, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, oh, here comes the bee. There's a bee. All right, this is my second stop. We're here at the Queen's Head Pub Restaurant since 1990. So, you know, pub fare here. So we'll probably just do some appetizers. And I'm still on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Liz O'C. And I'm just adding this to the food crawl for my food channel. All right, we're here now, the second food crawl stop. We're at the Queen's Head Pub here in Oakville, Ontario, and I decided to get their small order. This is their small order of fish and chips, 1 piece. The large order, you get 2 pieces. And this is $19.95. The large one, I think it's around $27.95. And I'm on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Liz O'C. This is gonna be part of the food crawl for my food channel. And my Prosecco. I'm gonna dig in. Okay, just to mention, this fish and chips is haddock. Haddock, not halibut, but haddock fish and chips. All right, here's the haddock fish and chips. Mmm, so good. What do we got here? If you're ever in Oakville, Ontario, come check out the Queen's Head Pub in Oakville. Give them a try. Very good.